In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website's SEO settings using a user-friendly website builder. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to brush up on your website management skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps. First things first, we need to access our website builder. So go ahead and open your preferred website builder. This is the tool that allows you to design your website without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Once you're logged in and have your site open, we can dive into improving your search engine optimization or SEO settings. Proper SEO settings can greatly enhance the visibility of your website on search engines like Google. So it's definitely worth investing some time in getting these settings right. Next up, we're going to navigate to the SEO settings of your website. Typically, you'll find this section within the settings menu of your builder. The exact location might vary depending on the platform you are using, but it should be clearly labeled as SEO or search engine optimization. Take a moment to find it, and once you're there, click to open the SEO settings panel. With the SEO settings open, it's time to focus on adding some crucial elements. Start by adding meta titles and descriptions for your web pages. Meta titles are small snippets of text that describe the content of the page and appear in search results. Aim to keep these titles clear, concise, and include relevant keywords to maximize searchability. Similarly, meta descriptions provide a brief summary of a page's content. Use these wisely to give potential visitors a reason to click through to your site. Try crafting descriptions that are both informative and engaging, ideally between 150 to 160 characters, to ensure they're fully displayed in search results. Another important aspect is to add alt tags to all your images. Alt tags are descriptions given to images that help search engines understand what these images represent. This is especially useful for image search optimization and for users who rely on screen readers. Make sure your alt tags are descriptive and accurately reflect the content of the image for better accessibility and SEO. Moving along, we're going to enable the sitemap and robots.txt file. In your SEO settings, there will be options to enable these features. A sitemap is a simple file that lists the pages on your site, informing search engines about the structure of your pages. Enabling your sitemap ensures that search engines can easily find and index your content. On the other hand, the robots.txt file is used to manage search engine crawling behaviors. Activating it can help guide search engines in how they interact with your site, ensuring that only the necessary pages are indexed. Lastly, once you've set everything up, don't forget to save your changes. Double check that everything is in place, then hit save to apply your SEO settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully optimized your site's SEO settings. This will not only enhance your site's searchability on the web, but also potentially increase your visitor traffic. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.